Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa buddhang saranang gacchami dhammang saranang gacchami sanghang saranang gacchami. Sit comfortably. Keep your back straight and comfortable. Keep your head straight and comfortable and relaxed, well balanced. You may slightly stretch your head upwards and your chin inwards. Like that it is nicely balanced. Smile. Feel joyful. Feel joyful. We are born as human beings. Feel joyful. We have all the potentialities to grow and to experience the highest liberation and freedom and happiness. Feel joyful that you have created all these conditions, wholesome conditions. That means you have worked very hard on the right path. That's why these circumstances have come together. Very congenial circumstances for Dhamma practice. Feel joyful. Have metta, loving kindness for all beings. Feel joyful. I am happy. May all beings be peaceful and happy. Now bring your attention to breathing. Observe the ingoing breath, outgoing breath. Ingoing breath and outgoing breath. Observe the breath at your nostrils, inside the nostrils, in the middle of the nostrils, or the tip of the nostrils, or below the nostrils, above the upper lip, wherever you feel the breath. Just start watching in breath as in breath, out breath as out breath. Be peacefully, calmly with the breath as it comes in and as it goes out. Thoughts will keep coming. Don't suppress, don't control, don't try to push away. Nothing doing. Become mindful. Oh, these are thoughts. Okay, these are thoughts. These are thoughts. Let go. Smile and come back to breath. Be with the breath. Just be with the breath. Be with the breath. Breath is our closest friend since we are born. Till we die, 24 hours, it is there. Every breath is so precious. Every breath shows us the reality of life. So keep observing peacefully without manipulating the breath, changing the breath. Observe natural, normal, breathing. Whether it is short breath or whether long breath, slow breath or fast breath, whatever. As it is, you just observe. Develop this mindfulness. Sati, sati, sati. And samadhi. Samadhi is concentration. As you observe constantly, the mind will remain for 1 breath, 2 breaths, 3 breaths. Like that, the concentration will develop. Observe. Mind may fluctuate and roam here and there, thoughts will keep coming, distractions will take place. Never mind about them. That is the nature of the mind. We have practiced like that. We have habituated to roaming from object to object. So now you are just letting go and training the mind to be peaceful. Take rest. Take rest. Just be with the breath. All other things, let go. Now, if you observe very carefully, every breath begins, continues for some time, and ends. Then out breath begins, continues, and ends. In breath begins, continues, and ends. If you can be aware, mindful of the beginning, be mindful when it is continuously going in, and be mindful when it is stopped. That means you are aware of the breath from the beginning to end, at the nostrils. Don't move your attention from nostril to stomach. That is not beginning, continuation, end. At the nostrils, you are observing. When in-breath begins, you know that it has started. When it is continuing, you know that it is continuing. When it ends, you know that it has ended. And then out-breath begins. Again, you are aware of that time, at that moment. Oh, it has started, it is continuing, and it has ended. It is just knowing. That means you are aware of the complete breath. Not something in a general way or in a vague way that you are aware of the breath, but very precisely from the beginning to end of the breath, you are clearly aware. So enjoy every breath, observing every breath. Every breath is a new breath, which comes only once in lifetime. Once gone, it is gone forever. So observe joyfully, mindfully. Develop your mindfulness. Develop your concentration. They are very fundamental to developing wisdom. Mindfulness is to become mindful or aware of what is happening. Concentration is to remain with that one object for longer time. So you are remaining with the breath for longer and longer times. 1 breath, 2 breaths, 3 breaths, 5 breaths, 10 breaths. Any distraction, any wandering of the mind, just become aware, let go, and come back, be peacefully with the breath. Very simple meditation. Here you are not going to involve with the thoughts. You are not reacting to anything with likes and dislikes. Just let go. The most simplicity. You are practicing simplicity. There is breath, in-breath and out-breath, and you are watching. That's all. Do nothing else. Enjoy this simplicity. Burdenlessness. No burden of anything. Don't even think it is my concentration, my mindfulness. I am not getting concentration. I am getting concentration. Nothing. Don't have the burden of I also. Don't have the burden of mine. The truth is, there is breath which you are able to feel. And you are mindful. That's the end. There is breath, you are mindful. That's all. Just let it be. bhavatu sabba mangalam rakhantu sabba devata sabba buddhanubhavena sabba dhammanubhavena sabba sanghanubhavena sada sothi bhavantu te. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.